Ever wondered why some people seem to have it all figured out when it comes to wealth building and personal finance? It's not magic, it's strategy. Today, we're going to explore a book that has been pivotal in guiding young professionals towards fiscal responsibility and prosperity. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi is more than just a book. It's a practical manual that demystifies the world of personal finance and wealth building strategies. Sethi's guide marries common sense with proven techniques, making it a must-read for anyone looking to navigate the often choppy waters of personal finance. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to refine your approach, this book is packed with invaluable lessons. So let's dive into the practical guide that has helped many young professionals make smart financial decisions. Credit cards, a necessary evil or a wealth-building tool? It's all about how you use them. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter, the key takeaways from Chapter 1. Optimize your credit cards. The first rule of thumb is to stop thinking of your credit card as a source of debt. Instead, consider it a financial tool that, when used correctly, can help you build wealth. It's all about mastering the art of optimization. That means paying your balance in full every month, leveraging rewards programs, and understanding your card's interest rates. If you've got a high-interest card, consider switching to one with a lower rate. It's a simple step that can save you hundreds, even thousands in the long run. Don't fear credit cards, embrace them. Use them wisely and they can become a powerful ally in your wealth-building journey. Remember, the power lies not in the card, but in how you wield it. Banks, a safe haven for your money or an institution that milks you dry? Chapter 2 of Ramit Sethi's I Will Teach You to Be Rich dives into this very question, providing a roadmap to outsmart banks and maximize your savings. Sethi begins by demystifying the complex world of banks, explaining that they are businesses just like any other, designed to turn a profit. He then delves into the strategies to beat the banks at their own game. First, he advises choosing a bank that fits your personal needs, not just the one with the most branches or biggest name. Next, Sethi discusses the importance of understanding and leveraging the power of interest rates. He recommends high-interest savings accounts and certificates of deposit as secure ways to grow your savings. Finally, he emphasizes the importance of avoiding unnecessary fees. By being informed and proactive, you can ensure that your money is working for you, not for the banks. So be the master of your money, not a slave to the banks. Investing, a gamble or a calculated risk? It's a question that has puzzled many. Yet in Chapter 3 of Ramit Sethi's insightful book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, he makes it clear that it's the latter. Investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about taking calculated risks and making informed decisions. It's about understanding the power of compound interest, which, given enough time, can turn even small investments into significant wealth. It's about diversifying your portfolio to spread risk and maximize potential gains. It's about knowing the difference between active and passive investing and why the latter often yields better results. Sethi also warns us of common pitfalls, like trying to time the market or falling for the allure of hot stocks. These are traps for the unwary and can lead to significant losses. In the end, investing is a long-term game. It requires patience, discipline, and a sound strategy. Remember, a smart investor isn't one who never loses, but one who knows how to manage risk. Saving, a sacrifice or a smart decision? Let's delve into this, shall we? Chapter 4 of Ramit Sethi's insightful book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, provides a refreshing perspective on saving money. It's not about penny pinching, but about making smart, conscious choices. The key is to focus on big wins. Instead of cutting out that daily cup of coffee, Sethi suggests saving on bigger expenses like car insurance or subscriptions you don't use. You'd be surprised how much you can save with a few phone calls or clicks. Next, automate your savings. Let technology do the heavy lifting for you. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account every month. This way, you're saving without even noticing it. Lastly, spend extravagantly on the things you love, but cut costs mercilessly on the things you don't. It's about finding a balance between enjoying your money now and securing your future. So, save smart, live well, and watch your wealth grow. So there you have it, a glimpse into the wealth-building strategies from I Will Teach You to Be Rich. We've journeyed through the key points of this enlightening read, but let's take a moment to recap. First, we learned about optimizing credit cards. This isn't about reckless spending, but understanding the power of credit and using it to your advantage. The right credit card can offer great benefits and rewards, while helping you build a solid credit history. Next, we delved into the world of banking. It's not just about stashing your money away, but rather making your money work for you. Negotiating for better rates, avoiding unnecessary fees, and choosing the right savings account are just a few strategies that can help you outsmart the banks. We then explored investing in the right way. It's not about timing the market or picking the next big stock, but investing consistently and diversifying your portfolio. The power of compound interest is truly remarkable, and it's one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over time. Finally, we discussed how to save money without feeling deprived. It's about making smart choices that align with your values and priorities. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses doesn't mean giving up on the things you love. It's about finding a balance and making your money work for you. These are just the highlights. Each chapter of I Will Teach You to Be Rich is packed with practical tips, real-life examples, and actionable strategies that can help you take control of your finances and build wealth. So if you're intrigued by what you've heard, consider picking up a copy of the book. Dive deeper into these strategies, apply them to your own life, and watch your financial situation transform. Remember, wealth building isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And with the right strategies, you can win the race.